So Santa Fe's got a population less than 100,000 people, and smack dab in the middle of it is Paper Dosa. It's a South Indian cuisine restaurant. They're not doing tikka masala. These guys are doing paper dosas from Chef Paulraj, who left San Francisco to follow his heart in Santa Fe. Hey, Chef.
Hi, Sheldon. Welcome to Paper Dosa.
Oh, glad to be here.
It's a South Indian restaurant. You have multiple varieties of dosas.
I'm excited. We'll
Let's
be
see
rolling
how it
out
goes.
some stuff and
Yeah,
making
please, come on in.
curries.
Come on
Okay. Whoa, look at this spread. There's a lot of ingredients that I don't recognize here. Were you always in the kitchen?
Until my 12th standard in India, I was not into the cooking.
Okay.
I was good at math. I want to be an engineer.
What made you go into culinary?
In India, what happens is I am an elder person in my home, so I want to help my dad immediately as soon as possible. You can earn fast. That's why I gone into culinary school. This is the dosa batter, rice flour and urad dal. We keep it outside for like 8 to 12 hours.
It's like fermentation, almost like sourdough. That is a master right there. A little bit of ghee. Look at that. And this is a paper dosa right there. Beautiful. You want to hold my hand while I'm doing it?
No.
All right, I don't want you to get jealous of my
No,
technique,
it's fine.
all right?
You can work with us some.
Just gonna pour it
Yeah. Yeah.
and then start from the middle.
Yeah. Beautiful. Don't press hard. Yeah, good job. Okay, you can try one more time.
No judgment, yeah, guys? My first time.
That's
That
what
would
I'm
pass.
saying. You did good.
I got my small one next to his one. All right, I'm going all in.
You have to spread it. Nice job, Sheldon. Beautiful.
Oh, look at that. Hired?
You will be hired immediately. This is a gunpowder dosa. My mom made just now.
Lucky she got mom's hands in
Yeah.
there. Tell me about gunpowder.
The
So,
gunpowder is
not real gunpowder,
no.
huh?
This is a chutney powder.
Okay.
Okay, so we dry roast each and every lentil separate,
Individually.
curry leaves and the red chilies. Like this.
Boom, gunpowder.
So, yeah.
Clack, clack, boom.
This is green chili cheese dosa.
Green chili is not traditional
It is not traditional.
Southern Indian
It's
cooking.
It's not. It's actually my wife's idea. My wife is from Santa Fe, and it turned out to be a nice dish.
Yeah. So this is a good way to get the people of Santa Fe into South Indian
Absolutely. Yeah.
cuisine. Whoa, that is a great one. Look at that cheese melting like that. You always knew that you'd go back to doing a Southern restaurant like this?
No, but I fall in love in South Indian cooking when I was in San Francisco.
So you cook with your mom now?
Yeah, now if she's in India, I'll be calling her and ask the recipes. Yeah, this is my home cooking.
So growing up in Tamil Nadu, you were alongside your mom cooking as a kid?
No, I am not a fan of cooking
Okay.
until I was like 16.
Okay. So after 3 years in graduating culinary school, you went to where?
Maldives. So I worked for Riti Beach Resort, and then I got the opportunity to come to the cruise lines, Miami to Key West to Cozumel, and then I'll come to Miami. And the second one is Miami to Bahamas to Miami.
How did you make your way all the way to San Francisco?
My brother was in need of money. I was earning like $750 at the ship. My friend Sendel, who said, I have an opportunity. If you come, I can give you a job. And I gone to San Francisco through him. He's really talented. I am so lucky to have him teach me the wonderful South Indian cooking.
It took you going to San Francisco to
Absolutely.
reconnect with your roots.
Absolutely.
That's the Paper Dosa.
This is a paper
the name
dosa.
of the restaurant.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
your
it
signature
goes with
dish.
masala, huh?
Show me the way.
Break the dosa and then dip it in the chutney and sambar. Coconut chutney always goes with that. Ginger, dry coconut, Thai chilies, cilantro, the salt. Roasted chana dal.
There's so many layers of
It
flavor.
is. And some people go with masala
Okay.
and the chutney.
Oh, double time.
No, there is one. And they go like this, and they dip it with the sambar. This is the main accompaniment for dosas. Boiled lentils, tomatoes, onions, red peppers, all kinds of flavors in one pot. A little bit of tomato puree and cilantro, a lot of cilantro. And then we'll add some tempering. This is just rice bran oil, mustard seed, red chilies, and curry leaves. It gives extra flavor for the curries.
Cheers, chef.
Cheers,
Thank
cheers.
you.
Cheers, Sheldon. Thank you.
Whoa! It's an explosion of flavors. The green chili dosa
thank you.
for you, chef.
Like the spice?
There's a good spice to it. That fermentation that is in the dosa that makes it so unique. Was this an immediate hit?
It was. It was like a lot of Santa Fe people like it.
Tell me about your meeting of your wife.
When I worked in San Francisco first in 2005, she also worked in Dosa as a waitress.
Okay.
That's how we met. We got married in 2007. I cannot live in San Francisco and have a family
Have a
there.
family.
My wife said we should move to Santa Fe, and just I followed my wife here, and it all worked out slowly.
How did you start cooking in Santa Fe?
I was doing the catering out of my house, but we didn't do that good to pay the bills. So boys' friends were saying, okay, why don't you do a Valentine's Day dinner? That pop-up was so magical because I didn't even have a proper stove. And a lot of people who work, they didn't even want to get paid. But they want to lift me up. That's what I saw with the Santa Fe people. There are a lot of restaurant owners, particularly Cafe Pina, Sweetwater Restaurant, Mudo Noodles. These all people helped me with opening their restaurant for me to do the pop-ups.
So in March of 2015, had the opportunity to open up this place.
The first 6 months was crazy.
So where did you get your workers?
I have one of my friend, Thiru. He's the backbone of my restaurant. We worked together in San Francisco as well. And he came to help. Within 3 months, he fell in love and he got married as well in Santa Fe.
In Santa Fe.
So,
It's amazing the story of love and how this all kind of came together.
and on top of that, you give the jobs to the people. I was looking for the job in Santa Fe. That's the most happy thing I can think about is like, I'm glad I can give jobs to people.
If you take care of your community, that the community is gonna come back and take care of you.
And then we're gonna transfer in the saute pan.
Okay.
And then we're gonna top it with the pili pili coconut sauce.